What are the top Metaverse stocks to buy right now? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. And again, it's me Sophie, one of Tony's team members. Don't forget to click on the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure all notifications are turned on so you're always updated when we upload new content. Let's begin. Thanks to advanced technologies, the world is changing in ways that we've only imagined before. Today, we have self-driving cars, gene-editing blockchain, flying robots, and so much more. But if there's one massive development that's bound to come faster than you thought possible, it's Metaverse. And it's bound to change our lives in a fundamental way. The Bank of America said that the global Metaverse market could grow to a whopping $390 billion, and could potentially reach $800 billion by the mid-2020s. Having said that, here are the top Metaverse stocks worth investing in today. NVIDIA Corporation. NVDA. NVIDIA is a multinational technology company that focuses on creating video processing and graphics chips that are used in virtual reality, artificial intelligence, supercomputers, and computing servers. NVIDIA chips will play a crucial role in the realm of the Metaverse. It will help provide the computing power it needs through its chips. The company is also creating the NVIDIA Omniverse, which is its own version of the Metaverse platform, which can be used to link 3D worlds into an interconnected virtual universe. NVIDIA Omniverse can be used to simulate real-world architecture or for design collaboration. Omniverse can be the perfect environment for training robots. Unity Software Incorporated. Unity Software Incorporated launched its game engine back in 2004. It simplified the process used by game developers to build the rendering, animation, physics, lighting, as well as user interfaces. The company bundled all these tools into a software suite that can be used on different platforms. Developers can now create a new game using Unity's engine, and once done, they can use it on different gaming platforms. A lot of the games in mobile phones, PC, and consoles have been created using Unity's game engine. Aside from that, it offers tools that can be used for in-app purchases, integrating ads, communication services, multiplayer support, as well as for analytics tools into different games. The company has started to expand outside its core gaming market by developing 2D and 3D applications for non-gaming use. Roblox Corporation. RBLX. Roblox Corporation is the closest you'll get to a social metaverse today. Its entertainment online platform accommodates 43.2 million active users today. Aside from its popular video game, it also provides its users with a wide array of unique virtual experiences such as Lil Nas X's live digital concert in 2020. The platform has 1.3 million developers who are always creating new content and games to integrate into existing ones. In total, these developers are right on track to earning $500 million from all their creations this year. Amazon.com Incorporated. AMZN. Over the years, Amazon has been focusing on creating a bigger e-commerce platform into a massive ecosystem that's comprised of entertainment, cloud services, and shopping for its users. When it comes to online shopping, Amazon is one of the biggest platforms today. It won't be surprising if the company will have its own Amazon Mall in the Metaverse. Plus, its Amazon Web Services can also help in the development and maintenance of the Metaverse infrastructure. It will allow consumers to purchase digital products and interact with other shoppers. Some of the ideas that Amazon has been to create virtual pop-up stores, virtual try-on, as well as a virtual avatar economy that will significantly change the retail landscape. Autodesk Incorporated. ADSK. Autodesk Incorporated is a multinational software corporation that creates software products and services for various industries such as entertainment, education, media, manufacturing, construction, engineering, and architecture. The applications created by this company are used by architects and engineers for designing infrastructure and 3D buildings in a virtual environment. Autodesk Incorporated's products are perfect for constructing the metaverse realm because they are designed for developing augmented reality and virtual reality 3D buildings and animations. Microsoft Corporation, MSFT, is aiming to be an early leader in the metaverse. It recently launched its latest version of Teams, the company's collaboration and video conferencing software. It offers an immersive corporate space where virtual meetings can be conducted. The avatars are enabled by artificial intelligence, which means they can mimic facial and hand gestures. The company launched Microsoft Mesh earlier this year, and it's now being integrated with the Microsoft Teams 2D and 3D settings. These new 3D features are set to be accessible for the users of Microsoft's own HoloLens device and the Oculus VR of Facebook, which is scheduled to be released in the first half of 2022. The company believes that its HoloLens and Xbox gaming consoles may also take on a significant part in the metaverse realm. Matterport, MTTR. Matterport is the leader when it comes to digitizing the real world. It currently focuses on digitizing data that its cameras have captured from real estate properties. Then, they turn the data they have compiled into 3D models, which realtors can show to their clients without needing to step inside a house. Matterport can digitize and import the real world's physical aspects into a virtual setting. This capability will push the company to the forefront of the metaverse. Meta. MVRS. Mark Zuckerberg made the headlines when he announced their plans to rename and rebrand the social media giant, Facebook. Their company is moving in a new direction, towards the metaverse. Unlike Elon Musk's reusable rockets and autonomous cars, the metaverse isn't bound by physics. In a recent interview, Zuckerberg hopes that in 5 or 10 years from now, people will have a pair of goggles that will allow them to experience augmented reality. Facebook is dedicating thousands of its workforce and billions of its financial resources to augmented reality because they believe that it'll be massive. These are the top metaverse stocks that you need to consider adding to your portfolio. Hopefully, this video has been helpful in filtering the best metaverse companies to buy. Hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new content. To create these videos, take a lot of time and effort, so we need your love, comment, like, and share, and we will make sure to create even more interesting videos for you. Don't forget to check our website Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta.com and grab one of our courses or books. Thank you again for watching. And remember, always stay very motivated.